They were line workers that came up and worked for APS. And it was amazing how many people came to help out. And I don't think it could have been stopped around the population centers without all these extra people. We live in Healdsburg, and we have 2 daughters and 5 grandchildren that all live in Sonoma County. So everybody was evacuated, and luckily it all turned out all right for all of our family, but it didn't for a lot of other people.
Teams arriving after 6 days of providing that assistance in Northern California. We have 30 linemen and 4 support, with 1 being safety, 2 supervisors, and an admin, all safely back today. We had our 30 linemen team up in teams of 2, and they patrolled line to make sure that it was safe to re-energize after the wind event. We did locate some damage, but all damage that was located was fixed, and we were able to re-energize about 9,000 customers that were off for 7 days. When the power came back on, it didn't matter what our shirt said. They knew we were there as utility workers, and they were extremely happy to see us.
They saved a lot of property, a lot of people's everyday lives.
Giving of themselves, especially through the holiday, missing their children during the Halloween time, to make sure that others didn't have to sacrifice any longer than they already had. It's a pride point. I'm proud to be a part of it. I'm proud to be a part of the company, but more so this just highlights how much APS truly cares about not just what we do, but everybody around us, how they're doing.